J.Lifestyle, back with another boxing. Today I'm going with the flow, and I'm not too sure what exactly what I'm boxing. I know it's trainers, but let's find out. So today, Air Max 97 Premium. They call it the black gold. Let me get it close up. Called the black gold. These were released, I think, last week. I think on Monday. My size was sold out, but I bought this to show my viewers how it is. Right. So retail price with these, retail price was about £140, 145, if I'm not mistaken. So, first impression, all black pair, looked kind of dope. The air bubble, a bit of gold, not too bad, you know. It reminds me of the SK Air Skepta edition of these, the colour in the air bubble. If I show it a bit closer, that kind of goldish, kind of I don't know how to describe it, but if you see on the Air Max 97 SK Air, colour similar to this in the air bubble. So all black, nice leather material down here. This is the reflective material, so when you're walking in the dark, if light hit it, or it meant to light up basically, so that part lights up. And this part here as well lights up as well, reflects, I mean. On the top, kind of like no, it's not leather, maybe nylon material. I think it would have been better if it was leather here as well. I'm just old school, I prefer leather. So let's check out the air bubble on the back. No, sorry, the sole, sorry. So the sole's quite decent, all black. Night tick right here, gold colour. I think these are dope. Let me know what your opinions on these. For the price, I don't think it's worth it, if I'm honest with you. It's a bit steep, but obviously the hype. Check out the back. So let me bring it into the light. So no Air Max on the pull tag at all. Or expect to pay £100-something, and it's not near enough premium. So Nike Air tick in the middle, sorry, in the bottom of the shoe, on the inner sole. You got the tag. Feel quite feels normal. Feels flexible, quite soft in there as well. You rock these with a pair of black jeans, or black jeans, black and gold t-shirt or hoodie, black cap, and that's a wrap. I ain't gonna lie, these are quite dope. But Nike, they're bringing out too much trainers out in one go. Like, trust me, they're trying to make people go broke very quick this Christmas. Trust me. I'm just after 2 pairs of trainers, and it's a wrap for me. Next year, move on to bigger things. So I'm just giving you more pictures or more angles of the trainers. I think it's dope. It looks ill. These literally sold out. If you go to other shops or other trainer shops in Europe, Paris, Poland, you might be able to pick it up on their website. And yeah, I'm sure there's like more websites that got some of these in stock, but you gotta Google, type in the product number, and boom, might be lucky. I was after a pair of Nike Dunks. I thought they were sold out completely. I didn't want to pay resale price or consignment price. So my friend typed in the product number of the Nike Dunks, and I got it for retail, but I got hit with tax as well. So yeah, go and get you some. Super dope. So, coming to the end of the review. I want to know who purchased these. Do you like? Did you have to give it a miss because you couldn't afford it? Just let me know. I'm a big fan of Air Max 97s. If you go on my channel, I've got plenty of reviews of Air Max 97. More reviews of Air Max 97, and yeah, I want for the new visitors, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, and check out more reviews. If you want to see more reviews, please hit the notification button. Alright? I'm trying to get to 100 before the end of the month. Please support. It's all about being positive. In life, you got to be positive, and things will happen for you. Yeah? So, stay tuned, keep subscribing, keep following, and follow me on Insta, j.lifestyle. Let me say that again. Insta, j.lifestyle UK, and for Twitter, jlifestyle32. Alright? Check it out. Peace.